Welcome back to Nazira's Lifestyle channel. Today's recipe is a simple, quick and easy potato curry. We hope you enjoy this video. First, skin your potatoes. I picked 4 potatoes to serve about 3 people. For the ingredients, you need to chop up the potatoes into cubes, onions chopped, green chilies chopped, red tomatoes chopped, and some curry leaves. You need chili powder, cumin seeds, turmeric or haldi powder, and mustard seeds. In a hot pan set on a low heat, pour in a small amount of olive oil. Allow the oil to warm up. Once adequately warmed, add in your cumin seeds. Add in your chopped onions. You can also add some dried chili after the cumin seeds, but this is optional. Allow this to warm up until golden brown. Add in your curry leaves. After some time, add in your mustard seeds. Give these ingredients a good stir and allow the mixture to remain on a low and steady flame. Once golden brown, add in your chopped potatoes and give this a good stir. To this, add in your chopped tomatoes and green chilies and give the mixture a really good stir. After some time, add in a small amount of salt. You can choose to add a little or a lot more depending on personal preference. Next, add in a small amount of chili powder followed by a small amount of turmeric or haldi powder. Give this mixture a really good stir. Continue to mix and thoroughly combine the ingredients. Temper this mixture on a low flame and close the lid and let this continue to cook. Once the potatoes have partially cooked, open the lid and give the mixture a good stir. Add in a small amount of water. Give this a good stir, close the lid and let it cook for a short while until the potatoes are thoroughly cooked. Once the potato curry was thoroughly cooked, I served mine with some puri. You can serve it with whatever you like. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for similar content and leave your comments and suggestions in the comments bar below. Thank you and until next time, see you then. Bye.